Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to increase your laptop speed by adding an extra SSD hard drive on your computer. Okay, you can use this method on your laptop or you can use this on the desktop also. Here I will use my existing hard disk and I will add an extra 256 GB SSD drive. Okay, watch this video till end so that you can understand how we are installing these both hard disks inside this laptop. Okay, this laptop is an old model Acer laptop. Model number is as per 5750. BIOS settings are different from other new laptops. So watch this video till end to install SSD hard drive and how to use your old data. Okay, we need two things. One is this SSD hard drive. Here I am using 256 SSD hard drive. You can buy this SSD hard drive from Amazon also. I will provide some best buy link of SSD hard drive in this video description. You can purchase them easily from Amazon. Another thing is a second hard disk caddy. Older laptops are using 12.7 mm caddy. New laptops are using 9.5 mm slim type caddy. Okay, I will provide both links in the video description. Verify your DVD drive thickness before ordering any caddy. First of all, we have to remove the battery. This model laptop has a small different colored lock here. You can see here. Move this to a side. Now the battery will come out. I will keep it aside. Now I will remove the existing hard disk. On this model laptop, hard disk is here under this back cover. Your laptop may be different. Search in YouTube with your laptop model number. Then there will be some videos regarding the same model and you will learn how to remove hard disk. I will remove these two screws and open the hard disk cover. Now carefully pull out the hard drive. Don't break the hard disk connectors. Now I will remove the screws from the hard disk. This is the data hard disk. We will use this inside the second hard disk caddy so that we can use the previous data also. Now I will keep it aside. This is the SSD hard drive, 256 GB solid state hard drive. The data transfer rate of the SSD hard drive is faster than normal mechanical hard drive. There is no any spinning mechanism inside any SSD hard drive. I will fix it in the normal hard drive enclosure. Fix it in proper direction. Don't break the hard disk connectors. Now I will close the back cover and put all the screws back. Later I will install Windows on this SSD hard drive. Now the first part is completed. Now we have put our original data hard disk inside the second hard disk caddy. You can see the hard disk connectors here. Carefully insert the hard disk inside the caddy. Tight with 4 screws. The caddy is coming with this drive cover also. If this is not suitable for your laptop, don't worry. You can remove the CD drive cover and you can use it on the hard drive caddy. Here the drive cover is different. So I will remove the CD drive. There is one screw here. Remove it. To eject the CD drive, just turn on the laptop and eject the CD drive tray. Gently pull out the CD drive assembly. You can also use a needle to eject the CD drive tray. After opening this CD drive tray, you can remove the front cover from it. Using a small screwdriver, first unlock this side, then similarly unlock other side. Do it carefully without breaking it. We are not going to use this CD drive. We will use this second hard disk caddy in place of CD drive. Now I will fix this cover on the hard disk caddy. Simply align the lock and push to fix. That's it. To screw the hard disk caddy on laptop, we have to transfer this metal part from the CD DVD drive to this caddy. Just to remove these two screws, fix it on the caddy with the exact same direction and orientation. Otherwise, you can't fix it on the laptop. We have successfully transferred the CD drive cover and the metal part on the hard drive caddy. Remove battery and power cables from the laptop. Then very carefully insert the hard drive caddy in the CD drive bay of laptop. If the caddy is not connecting properly, flip the laptop and then try again. Don't break your CD drive connectors of laptop. Make sure that the screw hole alignment is perfect. Screw the drive properly and insert the battery. Now the hardware part is completed. Here I will show you the BIOS settings of this laptop. This model is Acer Aspire 5750. Press and hold the F2 button and power on the laptop. You will see BIOS setup screen. You can see in boot menu, our 256GB SSD hard drive is detected, but the CD drive or caddy is not detected. You cannot boot from the caddy drive. So you must connect the SSD hard disk on your normal hard disk bay and install Windows or any other operating system on this SSD. You can use your existing hard disk in this caddy. This existing hard disk will be detected inside the Windows. You can use your existing data normally. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and enable the bell icon notification. Have a nice day. See you in the next video. Thank you.